Hi everyone, my name is Mallory from Imperium Dynamics. Today we're taking a deep dive into a cloud-based storage platform known as Azure Data Lake. This cloud-based service offers a scalable and cost-effective solution for big data processing and analytics. Data Lake on Azure is designed to swiftly analyze and store large volumes of data in multiple formats within a unified platform, harnessing the cloud's capabilities to enable intelligent action. Azure Data Lake can handle data of any size, providing a flexible storage solution that can grow with your data needs. It integrates seamlessly with popular analytic tools, allowing for advanced and time-efficient data processing and analysis. It also provides capabilities for managing the lifecycle of data. This allows you to automate the movement and deletion of data based on policies and rules. Microsoft Data Lake offers a wide range of benefits, such as it can be utilized to design, tune, run, and debug big data queries. It is an affordable option as you can choose between on-demand clusters or a pay-per-job model. The system will automatically scale up or down with your business needs, meaning you only pay for what you use. This service minimizes cost while maximizing the return on your data investment. Your Azure Data Lake can store trillions of petabyte-sized files in a single place with no constraints. No need to rewrite codes or worry about big data in the cloud. This service ensures you meet current and future business needs and let you focus on your business logic. Now, let's get to the use cases of Data Lake. A healthcare provider can leverage Azure Data Lake to store electronic health records, EHRs, medical images, and sensor data from wearable devices. This data can be used for advanced analytics, patient monitoring, clinical research, and predictive healthcare models. Moreover, a media company can utilize Azure Data Lake to store video content, user engagement data, and advertising metrics. This data can be analyzed to optimize content recommendations, target advertising, and understand viewer preferences for content creation. So, why choose Imperium Dynamics for assistance? We are equipped with a team of expert consultants with deep knowledge and proficiency in Azure Data Lake. This specialized expertise ensures that organizations receive tailored solutions aligned precisely with their unique needs. Deploying Azure Data Lake efficiently can be a complex process, but Imperium Dynamics consultants streamline this process for you to minimize potential errors and ensure a seamless transition. We also provide a comprehensive training and support to your team on how to effectively use Azure Data Lake to better manage your business's leads and opportunities. Contact us today and schedule a free consultation to see how Imperium Dynamics can assist you in beginning your data optimization journey.